If black people pool their resources together, what are you going to do?
They won't. That's the enemy's belief. We got them enough. We good. We got them. The ones who are influential enough that would have stood up, we got them on the payroll.
Or we killed them.
Or we killed them. Or so we think. That's how this enemy works. They don't believe. Again, they know who now. That's the thing. They know who. And they gonna tell you who. Because when you try to mention his or her name, they gonna come at you. Don't go around him. Don't go around her. So that means that's the exact person who you need to be around.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
They're gonna say, these are the people we don't like. We're gonna put them on these lists. If the FBI has you on a list, okay, again, either you're doing something wrong or something very right. There's nothing in between that. You're doing something very wrong or very right. White House watch list. You're doing something very wrong or very white. Very right. Either very white. It's that program. Okay. All of these things. Your brother has now been not only added to the FBI watch list, the White House watch list. I've now recently been added to the Department of Homeland Security's Atlanta watch list. I don't even live there. Okay.
And they probably think all of us is over there now.
Seriously?
They're all in Atlanta.
That list was pretty thick. It was over 100 people. So it's not just, it's a lot of us on there. But I said, oh, so that means I'm on the right track. So again, they know who can get it jumping in the right way. They know who can inspire and trigger the people to do the right thing, to make that move, to go independent, to build. They know. But enough of us have too much fear. Enough of us are truly afraid. Enough of us are.
All right.
Has the message arrived? I'm your brother John, the nationalist.